In this video, I want to show this very cheap stand for your iPad Air 4th generation, 5th generation, and I'm sure other iPads will fit as well. So this is something I got for less than $3 American on Shane. It was actually $3 Canadian. And yeah, it came in this package here in many pieces. As you can see, it took about a minute or two to assemble, very easy. And this is the final product over here. It's all made of plastic. I know it looks like metal, but it's all plastic. And what I like about this is, well, apart of the price, because usually these are more expensive, it has this swivel head. The one that you see online, it's black. I can't find the silver. Maybe it's out of stock. Maybe they'll have it back. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, the black one is exactly the same one. So this is how it looks with the iPad in portrait mode. You just need to put it, and it has some kind of rubber here that keeps it in place. But since this stand is very light, it has a tendency to tip on the other side if you adjust it this way. You know, if you put your iPad in an angle, forget about it. It will just tip. What you can do is you can actually put some weight here. Imagine if my hand here was the weight, and then it will keep it in place and it won't tip over. But if you don't put it at a crazy angle like this, it should be fine to stay, okay? You can put it even more like so, and you'll be fine. What this stand is not good for is if you want to tap on the screen, okay? So if you need to type, it will wiggle like this, and it's not very secure. But if you just want to watch a TV show, YouTube, and you just want a slightly raised iPad, well, this is perfect. You know, in this position, it's a lot more solid, and although, as you can see, it wobbles a bit, it's still doable in this position. If you have a case, I strongly suggest that you remove it, since it will sit more securely in these two plastic things here. I really think it's better to use it in this mode and not in the vertical mode, since it's a lot more stable, and even if you adjust it at a quite steep angle, it will still stay in place without the need of a weight over here. Yeah. So for $3, really, I can't complain with this stand. I mean, sure, I wish it was more solid. I wish it was heavier so it doesn't wobble that much. But for this, there are more expensive ones anyway. Okay, so this was it. I hope this was useful. If you want a cheap stand, of course I recommend it, unless you are gonna type non-stop on the iPad while using it.